You heard from Jeremiah saying stupid dog. Yeah. Here's a little stupid dog right there. That's Time's baby girl. We're on the big John Deere tractor. He's standing there below the John Deere tractor. There's the little demon right there. And this is what I'm looking at. Whoa, there's Jeremiah coming around the tractor. Yeah, there's Jeremiah coming around the tractor. He was coming around the tractor.
I'll grab you.
We heard him coming around the tractor.
Will you stop?
Hey, that's my phone! No, stop, Gemma. Record me. That's my phone, dog. What the crap are you doing? That's mine. Put that back to me.
Go to lava. Look, he's so scary. Oh no. Ow. That looks so painful. Do it again for the content. Oh my god. The content's great. Wait, no, the chicken. Make this chicken famous, everybody. What the heck? Come on, famous chicken.
Rooster, rooster, rooster.
Let's zoom in. I'm zooming in. Go!
Fight! Come on. Fight. Oh, little wimp, coming back out of the...
You're such a wimp.
Yeah. What he said. Now, Rooster, you're a man. You stood up for yourself. He's a good rooster.
Say that.
He's a good rooster. I got to admit it. He's a little bit of a good dog.
Are you serious?
Yeah.
It's hot. Beautiful. Say, make that dog and rooster famous. Make the dog and rooster famous. Make the dog and rooster famous. Get a million subscribers. What? Get a million subscribers. Say it loud. Get a million subscribers!
You heard from Jeremiah again. Make the dog and chicken famous.
The chicken should be more famous.
Yeah, the chicken should be more famous.
It's more tougher.
It's better than the dog.
Look at that dog booty. Can't the chicken not just fly on top of her? Let's go, Pickle. Come on.
Alright. Come on.
I know how YouTube works. Come on. Now, we're trying viral TikToks. Yay.
Do it.
Do
a
one.
TikTok.
You gotta do it with me. Sit it right there. Sit it right there. Right there. Sit it right there so you can see and watch us. So, it's more likely better when you can just switch the phone this way. Move, Wisey. Okay. Where is it? Your fingers.
Hold on. Jeremiah got to go get his tablet real quick.
I'm going to search up Charlie D'Amelio.
No. Put something good on TikTok.
That's the best.
Hey, doggy. Get back here, doggy. Get back here, little puppy. That puppy sure don't listen to me. He's trying to eat the cat's food. Well,